Hi and welcome. So this is my Gua Sha series, simple and effective Gua Sha techniques that you can do to boost circulation, release tension, and get some glow into your skin again. So if you're new to Gua Sha, this is a wonderful way to learn some of the basics, and you're gonna need a face oil and you're gonna need a Gua Sha tool like this. So let's get started. So we're gonna get started with our jawline over here and our neck area to increase lymphatic drainage. So what's really important is to apply a little bit of face oil here because it will really help with the slit when we're using the Gua Sha tool on our face. So I'm applying here on my jawline and my neck area right here. We're gonna take our Gua Sha tool and you want to take the rounded edge over here. Place your tool right here in the middle of the chin here. Place your finger here at the ear, and then at a 50 to 45 degree angle, you want to gently slide all the way out to the ear like this. So we're gonna go 7 on each side. Wonderful. We're going to do this again on the other side. Put your finger here, place your tool right here with this rounded edge here on the outside. Moving at a 15 to 45 degree angle. Move it all the way out to the ear like this. This is going to really help increase that lymphatic drainage right here. Wonderful. Next, you're going to take the inside curve of the tool here, place it right here behind the ear, and move it all the way down to the collarbone right here. And we're going to go 7 on each side as well here. Go on the other side. This is going to help warm up the muscles right here. So this is a perfect way to start our Gua Sha routine. Wonderful. So this is a really wonderful way to start increasing that lymphatic drainage and warming up the jaw muscles right here. So next we're going to be working on our cheek area.